Looking for a simple way to design cool websites? I tested out Canva Website Builder and ChatGPT together. Let me show you what they can do. Hi, I'm B. Welcome to my channel where we explore the coolest and most user-friendly digital tools out there. Whether you're a tech newbie or a savvy creator, keep on watching. Now, let's talk about who will find Canva's Website Builder super useful and who might need to look elsewhere. If you're already a fan of Canva and love its simplicity, you're in for a treat. This tool is perfect for creating static one-page websites like portfolios, resumes, or wedding websites. It's super friendly, quick, and lets you whip up a website with the ease you're used to in Canva. But if you're looking to build more advanced websites with multiple pages and complex functionalities, Canva won't be a tool for you. Having said this, let's build a website. Here in Canva, click on the website's icon and browse all the templates. There are almost 1,000 templates, so you can refine your search using the filters. I'm looking for a portfolio website. I personally prefer doing the search here in Canva. Also, you can ask ChatGPT to do this if you have installed Canva plugin, but I'm not that excited about that plugin. To be honest, I don't think it saves that much time. So, up to you wherever you want to do the search. Okay, found the template. Just click on Customize this template. Let me zoom out to see how Canva works. See each of these sections that I'm highlighting? Canva calls them pages. They are not really pages, they're sections. You can move the sections up and down, duplicate, delete. These tools on the left are the same across Canva, so you're probably already familiar with them. What I'm going to do is add a new page for the bio. So whenever you add a layout, first you need to add a page. I'm clicking on the bio page, scroll to the icons on the left, and click on Add Page to get a blank page. Then back to the layouts. On the left, click on the page you want to add. Don't try to build your website from scratch. Always use templates or layouts. They're already animated, mobile responsive. It saves you lots of time and trouble, trust me. Now you just have to drag and drop your own images and write about you and your work. Here's where ChatGPT comes in handy. If you need help writing about your work and your experience, use ChatGPT. If you have Canva Pro, you can also use Magic Write, the AI writing assistant from Canva. But if you're using Canva for free, then use ChatGPT for free. You don't need a long or complicated prompt to do this. Just tell ChatGPT you need help writing your resume. This is how I would do this. I need help writing my resume. Write 150 words about my work. I've been a freelance designer for 5 years. Before this, I worked in New York City in different agencies for 6 years. And I'm currently based in London. Mostly work as an art director. Let ChatGPT do the work. You can always add more details and ask the AI to rewrite the text. Whenever you're happy with the results, just copy it and paste it in Canva. Before you publish your site, make sure nothing looks funny. Go to the top and click on Preview. See how the site looks on desktop and also on mobile. If mobile doesn't look good, make sure Resize on Mobile option is enabled. There you go. It looks so much better now. You can add a navigation menu or not. If you're happy with the results, it's time to publish. You can get 5 free domains from Canva. They're actually subdomains, or use your own. For this tutorial, I'm going to choose a free domain. Let's give it a name and continue. In page URL, I would write home, portfolio, and also add a page description. Again, ask ChatGPT to describe your website in less than 160 characters. One last thing before you publish, open Advanced Settings and change the image over here. Grab a screenshot of the first page of your site and upload it. If you don't, whenever your page is shared on social media, this picture will show up. Okay, so we're ready now. Click on Publish, and we're done. Don't worry if you've missed something, you can make changes, update your site in the future, and then just publish it again. Alright, we've just seen how to make a website with Canva and ChatGPT. It's a simple way to create a site, especially good for basic one-page designs. Remember, Canva is easy to use and ChatGPT helps you with writing content. If you've tried making a website with these tools, share your experience in the comments. If you're interested in Canva AI tools, you might want to check this video where I talk about 10 tips and tricks. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, be creative and keep learning.